Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Camp 47. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz in the wearable tech world. Samsung is set to launch new smartwatch models at the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked on July 10th. The highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 series. If you're excited about what's coming next from Samsung, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Now, let's get into it. At first, let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra. The Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra available in a sleek 47 size with a titanium case, sapphire glass front and a stunning 3D glass dial. This cutting-edge smartwatch have a vibrant 1.5-inch Super AMOLED display with an impressive 327 ppi for crystal clear visuals. Powered by the Exynos W1000 processor, 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. Additionally, it is equipped with a 590 mAh battery that supports wireless fast charging. The Galaxy Watch Ultra will operate on Wear OS with One UI Watch 6.0. It will have IP6X dust protection, a 10 ATM waterproof rating, and an IP68 rating. Additionally, this smartwatch is US military certified for exceptional durability. The Galaxy Watch Ultra features Bluetooth and 4G connectivity. In India, the anticipated price is approximately 62,000. Now, let's talk about Galaxy Watch 7, which will be available in two sizes, 40mm and 44mm. While the aluminum armor case will replace the titanium case, the rest of the materials will remain unchanged. The 40mm variant will feature a 1.3-inch display, while the 44mm version will feature a larger 1.5-inch display. Additionally, both sizes will be equipped with the same chipset and storage capacity as the Ultra model. The 40mm model will feature a 300 mAh battery, while the 44mm model will come equipped with a larger 425 mAh battery. In terms of color options, the Galaxy Watch 7 40mm Bluetooth version will be offered in green and cream color with an estimated price of 29,000. The 44mm model will be available in green and silver, priced at 32,000. For those interested in the Bluetooth plus 4G version, the 40mm variant will come in green and cream color, priced expected 33,500. While the 44mm model will be offered in green and silver color with a price tag around 36,000. But what's really exciting are the new health features. The Galaxy Watch 7 series is expected to come with advanced health monitoring tools with bioactive sensor tool for improved heart rate tracking, blood oxygen monitoring, and even a new stress management feature. According to a report by Android Authority, evidence of the company implementing an ages index for the Galaxy Watch 7 series has been spotted in the latest version of the Samsung Health app. Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 series may detect early signs of heart attack, stroke, and diabetes. Regarding the release date and pricing, we are eagerly anticipating an official announcement from Samsung in the near future. The launch in India is expected to take place in late August or early September, while pricing details might fluctuate. So are you as excited as I am about the upcoming release of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 series? Share in the comments which feature you are most anticipating. Don't forget to subscribe Camp 47 for the latest tech updates. Thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.